Hello everyone, we are Team Oneiro, and in today's hackathon event, we were trying to develop an app for medical assistance. Our app's name is Medical Musaida. These are our team members. I am Abdullah. He is Jabir. This is my friend Jahid, and this is my friend Ishan. Before we dive deep into what we are trying to do in our app, let's focus on what are the problems we are dealing with. In short, the problems we are dealing with is the inconvenience of the patients. Now, why should we try to develop an app for the inconvenience of the patients? Most of the patients, they have to. In our country, most of the senior citizens suffer from diabetes and blood pressures, and they have to, they have to maintain a tough schedule for their medicines, and often it becomes, often they fail to take the right medicines in the right times. Again, they also need to visit doctors, and they also need to show them the previous medical records, and often they find it very challenging to maintain their medical records. Our app addresses these problems, and we try to solve these problems by providing a timetable in our app that will notify our users about when to take the medicines, and in due time. Our apps also provides facility for our users to store their prescriptions, and they can be safe about it. They can retrieve the prescriptions whenever they need it, and they can also share their prescriptions with the doctors and relatives if they need. Our app also provides features for contact information of doctors. Now, our app we are not focusing on providing the information of doctors. We are also creating a rating system for our doctors, where our user can filter the doctors list based on the regions. And we also provide some emergency information in case our users need it. We provide necessary information for the blood banks, the ambulance, and our users can also navigate through first aid tips. And yes, they can also search for the nearest medical hospitals at the nearest at the current location. To build our apps, we have taken the help of these instruments, these hardwares, and these tubes. We are mostly targeting the middle class people of the urban areas, and most of our consumers are middle class or have an economic status of middle class or higher. We will be targeting around 150 registered pharmaceutical companies, and we also will be contacting with drug distributor companies. That's revenue. This is a brief summary of our revenue model. Our service will be paid. So we are offering a premium subscription, premium feature, and we can take subscription fees from our user, and we can also create communication between the pharmacies and the buyers of the medicines, and we can also earn a revenue from the pharmaceutical companies from that. And here's a brief SWOT analysis of our app. Our main strength is the platform the platform that we are creating for the patients with to store all kinds of medical necessities and stuffs. However, we also have some weaknesses in our plans. For example, a user can't FAQ all the information with it.